Hello trader, this is my Telegram community, TCA public community, where I provide free of cost books of trading and you can join it. Here you are provided with complete guidance regarding binary trading and candlestick patterns, trading psychology, trading discipline, risk management, money management. This is a complete guide to you practically. And different trading posts are shared daily, which improve your discipline and motivate you. Now we have started giving free sessions here, which are for both beginner traders and those who are trading in live accounts, in which we teach trading with proper risk management, time management discipline, and complete rules are provided, by following which signals are given, whose accuracy is 90–95%. These recent sessions have been given. You can see on the screen that the complete screenshot from entry to result has been shared, and along with this, the results of the trading trade have also been given. You can check the accuracy that short trades have been provided, and with proper discipline, I make profits by giving free of cost signals to my subscribers, just like I do trading. These rules are given for traders which are for beginner and medium traders. We do not shift beginner traders to direct live accounts. First, we make them practice in a demo account. When all their concepts are clear, then we make them trade by giving signals in a live account. If you are in loss, you can recover your loss from this session. You just have to create a new account and message me. I will tell you how much risk you have to take in one trade. This session is free of cost. There is no requirement for it, but to become a part of TCA public community, you only have to create a fresh account, and this after verification, you can take advantage of this session by taking free off-cost signals and grow your account. This is a great opportunity for beginner traders. The link of this community will be given in the description. You can join it immediately and take advantage of free off-cost signals. Apart from that, if you have any questions, you can message us and ask. You will be answered immediately. This is my personal account. And in this account, I will tell you my simple strategy, with which I make a very good profit on a daily basis. And you will learn a lot from this video. When the balance in your account is high, you can make a good profit by taking a risk of 1–2%. And I always tell my students that you should take a risk of 1–2% and grow your account gradually. If you trade in the cycle of making a quick profit, you will lose your entire account balance. So you need patient discipline, risk management, and you have to use your mindset with discipline. Here I have analyzed the market and placed a trade which is a little higher. So I have placed 2 more trades below that. If the first trade is a loss, then the second trade will become a win. This is my own strategy, and you don't have to follow it. You just have to place a trade with 2% risk of 1%. Because I know that I am committed to my strategy that this trade will definitely be a win, and if I lose a little, it doesn't matter, and you can see the behavior of the market, and as soon as you see it, this is our trade. That will definitely be a win. And we wait a little and you see that all 3 of our trades have become a win. By analyzing a trade, you can make more profit than multiple trades, but the condition is that your analysis should be good. For beginner traders, this is not at all the case. They should only take 1 trade. We are experienced traders who find it easy to take risks, and even if we lose, we recover it. If the markets are not doing anything special, we have to find the market on our own, which will easily give us a good opportunity. Here I have to add some more pairs in which I can get a good trade. The market is not always the same, so we have to find the market according to our strategy. In this market, I will wait a little and take a trade on the next candle. Here I am, getting some confirmation that the market is going to reverse, and hence I will take a trade in the down direction. Considering the market behavior, I have placed a trade in the down direction by taking 2% risk. A reverse India candle in the market became red with 2 candles. And here I have consulted a little in the market, but I am sticking to my prediction. And I am confident in my analysis that this trade will definitely be a win. When you spend a good time in the market, you understand the market. You can guess the next move of the market. But for that you have to work hard and give time. And you have seen that the market has moved very well. And our trade has become a win. I placed 3 trades in the first trade, and now I have placed 1 trade in the second trade. So far, all our trades have become wins in a great way. Friends, this is my simple strategy, and I try to make the market as easy as possible to understand. And with this strategy, I provide signals to my students in the community and clear all their concepts at the same time. If there are any questions, I clear them in my inbox. If you have any questions in your mind, you can ask me in the comments. I will definitely answer you and have analyzed this market for the next trade. This market is getting a little reserved, so I have placed a trade in the down direction here with a 2% risk, and I am sure that this trade will definitely win. Here the market reversed and the green candle was engulfed by the red candle, after which a doji candle was formed, then a red candle was formed, and from this I placed a trade on the next candle. The reason for this is that sellers in the market are taking the market in reverse, and the moving average also gave an indication that the market will reverse a little. Looking at the candlestick patterns and analyzing the market, I take a trade. And you can see that our trade has also been won with good profit, and I have taken 5 trades, which are all sure short trades. If you like this video, like the video, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, comment and join the Telegram community. See you in the next video. Happy trading.